outside,
USA.
inside, outside.
This is me.
Hey, you gotta, I'm listening, I gotta sing along.
Well, if you're on the wood, you should be singing
Hey,
along.
what's going on, guys? From California.
Don't ruin my fun.
I'm trying to listen.
What are the words?
Surfing USA.
We get another equally catchy
Another
song.
time at Denny's, huh?
Oh God, we're recording. Go.
Faster.
I really like milkshakes. Wait.
You look like Chris Keener.
He does.
I'm sorry.
You look like one of the Three Stooges.
I literally made out. I made out with that milkshake. Oh my God. Melvin.
I'll have what he's having.
It's like you scared more people out. Don't point it at me. I'm not eating a milkshake.
They're like running out of here. They're like oh
That's right, Jeremy.
Don't look at me. I don't have diabetes.
Poison me. That kid's all alone.
Hey, look, it's Melvin.
milkshakes. You gotta. Gee, thanks, Mom. That's my fourth one today.
Yeah, they're not too.
Eat them.
Mouth. Mouth.
From home.
Backstory. Jalapeno 1, Jalapeno 2. My mouth are gonna become best friends. And unlike George W. Bush, these things are gonna have an exit plan.
What turned jalapenos into a bush joke?
Oh, look, they're so big. Oh, shoot.
It's okay, Melvin, you can handle
That's
it.
what she said. Mel.
Oh, they'll film that one.
Dude, they're so... I licked one and it's burning a hole through my tongue. I feel like these things are made of alien blood.
Just eat the damn things. Chew.
Chew them up, Mel. Chew them up, Mel.
I said eat, not mouth. Playing with them.
No, I made sweet tea out of my tea. You better take it.
What they're gonna do to my mouth, I gotta treat them right.
Melvin, put them in your mouth before you say something retarded.
Too late.
Well, okay. Touche.
Actually, you know what helps with hot stuff? Syrup.
Yeah.
Oh god,
This is gonna be doing better.
that's a chaser.
Dunk them in there.
Don't come in. Sorry, this is hilarious.
Oh god damn it.
Eat.
Oh my god.
Spitters or quitters, Melvin?
No. Spit it out, Mel.
No, don't spit it out.
Yourself. No. Don't kill yourself.
Swallow.
Mel, you're wrong.
Oh my god.
You got him in syrup.
Don't puke in the syrup, it'll go to waste. Oh my god.
It's on video. No.
The waste of a milkshake.
No. Why'd you listen to him? Oh god. Oh god. not even that burnt. Oh my god, my lip.
Wow, it's a piece of ball.
Oh my lip. Oh my god.
This is.
I pushed him to do it. I'll never bully anybody ever again. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, what happened? Oh, dude, I don't even know. It was just like this. This is my body fighting back, as if my. Oh, God, dude. It's in my nose. Give me a. Come here, asshole friends. Give me a napkin. No, quit being dicks. Why did you do that? Oh man, so much puke. Where's it?
Seriously,
It's a little bit, but still though. Well,
Including the stuff on the plate.
I don't know why I'm filming this. Dude, it's still in my nose. But my mouth is still burning. You know,